Hi there, welcome back to Office Rookie's 15 Minutes to Tableau. In the last video, we had gone through some Tableau basics through creating the KPI cards of this dashboard. In this video, we'll understand the structure of a viz through creating a heat map. So let's get started. Duplicate our total sales sheet. We'd have the same filter and the sales pill. There's a chart icon in the tool ribbon for us to clear worksheet formatting. Drag the order date to the row shelf. The order year is shown. Within the order year pill, there's a plus icon. Click it. The sales is broken down by quarter level. There's a built-in hierarchy for date type data for drawdowns. To make the table for the heat map, drag the order date to the column shelf. This time, right-click the pill. You'll have the option to display the date by weekday. Now you can compare the sales on every weekday across different months. To change the display of this table, you have the option to swap the rows and columns. Since there is only year 22 anyways, let's remove the order year pill. Now moving on to the coloring of the heat map. Hold the Control key while dragging the sales pill to the color card. The sales is colored according to the sales amount. Then, in the drop-down menu, square, the text color becomes blocks within the cells. Move to the legend on the right-hand side. In the drop-down menu, you can edit the colors used. Or, click the color card. You could play with the opacity of the colors. Go up to the tool ribbon. Change the fit of the visual on the canvas for a cleaner look. Right-click the labels in the header, you could hide them. Right-click the weekday pill, sort. You could manually specify the order of display. Your week now begins on Monday. In the menu bar, there are different options for analyses. Showing grand totals one of them. You could also show the totals on the left of the viz. Right-click the sales pill in text. Add table calculation. We'll see what percentage of total sales is accounted for by each cell. Now, what is the scope for a total? We'll specify that. In this default setting, you're seeing the participation of months to all of the Mondays. Let's change it to table down. Now each column tallies to 100%. Go to the formatting again. We can format the percentages. Drag the sales pill to the text label again. This time it is the absolute amount instead of the sales percentage shown. Now the viz looks very crowded with too many labels. Click the label card. The three dots allow us to edit the label. Do a bit of formatting, preview, and apply. If your users don't need as many details, click Min-Max. Only the minimum and maximum values of each pane is labeled. Coming up next, we'll learn how to make other charts. Stay tuned!